prostate cancer. Who would have known that one little gland could cause such big problems? If you know, you know. Waking up during the night to pee, having trouble peeing, or feeling pain or burning when you do. Most of these symptoms are caused from a swollen prostate and can be extremely uncomfortable and frustrating to say the least. Most people don't know this, including a lot of doctors, but eating certain foods can either alleviate or aggravate these annoying symptoms and lower your risk of developing prostate cancer or keep it from coming back. When it comes to prostate health, what you include in your diet is just as important as what you exclude from your diet. So in this video, I'll be sharing some of the most important foods to put on your plate, as well as which to avoid if you want to optimize your prostate health. First of all, just because your prostate is swollen does not mean you have cancer. They say that roughly 50% of men over the age of 50 have a swollen prostate, also known as BHP, a condition where the prostate gland is swollen but it's not cancerous. Also, by the age of 80, nearly 90% of men live with a non-cancerous enlarged prostate. And for those who do develop prostate cancer, for several people, it's so slowly progressing that it doesn't give them any trouble or create any symptoms, so they never even find out. But unfortunately for others, prostate cancer can progress quite quickly and even become life-threatening if it's not treated. But thanks to science, we know that eating certain fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts can significantly lower your chances of getting prostate cancer and having it spread to other parts of your body. And I know what you may be thinking, does that mean I can only eat rabbit food? No. But apparently the more fruits and vegetables you eat, the better, and the less animal-based products you eat, the better. However, some fruits and veggies are better than others when it comes to prostate health, so those are the ones I'll be talking about in this video. One of the potential reasons your prostate is enlarged is because the level of something called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, is elevated in your body. So the most important foods for you to be eating are the ones that lower your levels of DHT. And there are quite a few of them, so you may want to grab a pen and paper to make a grocery list. Food group number 1, dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, or broccoli, because they're packed with vitamin E and a compound called sulforaphane. Both of these nutrients have been shown to reduce prostate inflammation. So load up on those greens as much as possible, and better yet, pair them with other veggies that are high in antioxidants like onions and garlic. These are also effective at reducing prostate inflammation because of their high sulfur content. Also, the high amount of antioxidants in garlic will help to protect your body from oxidative stress that can lead to cancer cell development. Similarly, cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage also contain sulforaphane, and they're super high in fiber, which will help your body to get rid of toxins to further reduce inflammation. So basically, any foods that reduce inflammation are your prostate's best friend. Moving on to food group number 2, seeds. Flax, pumpkin, sesame, and chia seeds are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are widely known to also reduce inflammation. Even though seeds are tiny, they have a high concentration of zinc, especially sesame seeds, and zinc plays a crucial role in prostate health. One study showed that men were up to 75% more likely to have BHP or prostate cancer if they have low levels of zinc in their blood. So sprinkle some sesame or pumpkin seeds on your salad, chia seeds on yogurt, or blend some flax seeds into a smoothie. Just try to get them in as much as possible. Also, in case you're thinking, well, can't I just take a multivitamin or supplements rather than eating all these vegetables or seeds? Although that would be easier, unfortunately, it wouldn't be as effective. We absorb more vitamins and nutrients from the food we eat rather than supplements. But if you're unable to eat a normal diet right now for whatever reason, you should definitely talk to your doctor about taking supplements to get the nutrients your body needs. Okay, so in addition to greens and seeds, certain types of fruit are game changers when it comes to prostate health, especially berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries are superfoods when it comes to antioxidant content. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and something called flavonoids that help to combat oxidative stress and protect us against the type of cellular damage that causes cancer or cancer recurrence. Pomegranates are also rich in antioxidants, plus de-seeding them is a great way to test your patience. Kidding, bad joke. Another fruit you'll want to add more of to your life is avocado because it's rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, which can both do wonders for your prostate health. Avocados also contain something called beta-sitosterol, and studies have shown that for some men, taking beta-sitosterol supplements say they have better urinary flow, which means these supplements help to reduce prostate swelling. But again, rather than taking these supplements, try to eat more avocados, pumpkin seeds, and pecans. Especially avocados though, because as I just mentioned, they're a great source of omega-3s, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. So make some guacamole or avocado toast for breakfast a few times a week and you're laughing. You can also get omega-3s from eating fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, or chia seeds. So swap out your burger or steak with a delicious piece of grilled salmon twice a week, and your prostate will thank you. Next on your grocery list is one of the most important foods for prostate health, and that is tomatoes. This is because tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that significantly lowers your risk of developing prostate cancer and helps to lower your prostate-specific antigen or PSA levels, which is directly connected to prostate inflammation. Now, it's been said that your body absorbs lycopene best from cooked tomatoes as opposed to raw, so try to think of ways you can add more tomato sauces, soup, or even roasted tomatoes to your meals. You can also get lycopene from eating watermelon, apricots, pink grapefruit, and papaya. But something that most people don't know is that your body will absorb more lycopene from these foods when it's paired with a food that contains healthy fat like avocados, nuts, or olive oil. So if you are a fan of guacamole, mash up some avocado and add in some diced tomatoes, onions, and garlic because those are all cancer-fighting ingredients. Next up on the list is bell peppers. According to the Mayo Clinic, the vitamin C found in peppers plays a role in lowering BPH. In fact, 1 cup of raw bell peppers contains nearly 200% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Other veggies that are rich in vitamin C are some that I actually already mentioned, the cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Now let's talk about foods you should avoid for prostate health. This is equally as important because certain foods can make your annoying symptoms even worse. First and foremost, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's best to avoid anything that makes you dehydrated, so caffeine, alcohol, and salt are some of the biggest culprits. Caffeine is a diuretic, so it increases how much, how often, and how urgently you have to urinate. So if you're already having problems with this, drinking coffee can make it worse. And as for alcohol, not only does it dehydrate you, it also significantly increases your chances of developing prostate cancer. Over 10,000 men participated in a prostate cancer prevention trial. Researchers discovered that those who had more than 3 alcoholic drinks a day or more than 20 drinks a week were twice as likely to be diagnosed with prostate cancer than moderate drinkers. That's a lot. And then there's salt. A lot of men find that following a low-sodium diet can be really helpful in reducing the symptoms associated with a swollen prostate. And you can do this simply by reducing the amount of salt you add to your meals and avoiding processed foods as much as possible. Some studies have also shown that high-fat dairy products like cream, whole milk, or cheese can make symptoms of a swollen prostate worse for some people. So if you notice a correlation between your symptoms and consuming dairy products, try switching to an almond or oat milk to see if it helps. And last but not least, saturated fats that are found in processed meats, chips, and most deep-fried foods, salad dressings, or baked goods. Saturated fats are known to cause heart disease, but they're also being indirectly linked to prostate cancer. Reducing the amounts of saturated fat in your diet can benefit your prostate health because you'll likely be replacing processed foods with more whole foods that are high in fiber and nutrients. Now, something really cool I briefly want to share with you. A case study was done back in 2017 to find out how effective the lycopene from tomatoes, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids are for prostate cancer patients undergoing treatment. They measured the effects of these 3 nutrients on the PSA levels of the patients in the study. In case you don't know, basically your PSA is one of the markers used to measure your prostate cancer status and the effectiveness of the treatments you're having. So in this particular cancer study, the PSA of these patients were measured at the beginning of the study and then again after 3 weeks of supplementing with lycopene, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids. The study determined that eating tomatoes alone or in combination with selenium and omega-3s lowered the PSA levels in patients with prostate cancer. So if you have high PSA levels, add some tomatoes to your diet starting today. So there you have it, some of the best foods to eat to reduce prostate swelling and prevent prostate cancer. So make sure to incorporate plenty of greens, seeds, berries, and healthy fats into your daily meals. And I really hope they help to relieve some of the irritating symptoms a swollen prostate can cause. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative content. And until next time, happy eating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.